I'm not talking about you. Any lady that is making money so hard, she's working out for money.
A lot of people think that maybe, oh, this girl, she's...
Because you need money. You guys need money.
I will never even be with a guy that doesn't even...
So I don't feel like any lady out there will be with a guy that is not doing something.
Yeah. And it's not just for the guy, even for the girl.
Ladies should have at least 10 million naira before getting married. BBNH's Doyen said so. Former Big Brother Niger reality star, Doyen David, simply known as Doyen, has said that ladies should have at least 5 million to 10 million naira before getting married. She stated this while answering a question from her colleague, Chizzy, who was a guest on the latest episode of her podcast, Doyen's Corner. Chizzy asked, "How much do you think a lady should have in her bank account before getting married?" Doyen replied, "I think a lot of people are going to find it ridiculous, but I think you should have between 5 to 10 million naira. Love is not enough at the end. Money is very, very important." Chizzy added that people shouldn't get married if they are poor. He said, "No matter how we want to paint it, money should be involved. Very important. If you don't have money, don't get married. Let me put it out there. Quote me anywhere. If you don't have money, don't get married. Please, leave the girl alone. She should go and find someone that has money that can take care of her."
I will never even be with a guy that doesn't even...
So I don't feel like any lady out there will be with a guy that is not doing something.
Yeah. And it's not just for the guy, even for the girl. I always say this. There's a certain amount of money that you should have in your bank account as a woman before you think about getting married.
That's why I want to prove you wrong here. How much do you think a lady will have in her bank account getting married? There.
I think that a lot of people are very finding ridiculous, but I think that you should have between 5 and 10 million, honestly, before you start in my opinion. Of course, no. Let me say this properly, because I understand that where they are in life, that's probably not feasible. Do you understand? 10 million, it don't matter. You're going to have kids. Do you know that? You're going to pay house rent. You're going to eat. Look at the cost of living. Look at everything.
The basic one is that just have source of income.
And some money saved up. Love is not enough at the end of the day.
No matter how we want to paint it, money should be involved.
Money is very important.
Very, very important.
It is very important.
If you don't have money, don't get married.
Yes.
Let me put it out there. Quote me anywhere.
I agree.
If you don't have money, please don't get married.
Don't
Leave
go
that girl alone.
Thank you very much.
You go and find someone that has money that can take care of her.